Right. Now I am going to explain how to take the answer for the question number 19 of the 2022 O-level examination. Right. Firstly, we will read what is the question number 19. What is the question number 19? In the male reproductive system, the sperms are produced in, right? We know the male sex gametes is sperm, no? In the grade 10, as the unit 14, we learned about the reproduction. Here we learned about reproduction of plants and reproduction of human, right? Under the reproduction of human, we learned about male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Right now, when we consider about the male reproductive system, what are the main parts of the male reproductive system? Testes, epididymis, vas deferens, and this it is connected to the seminal vesicles. Here contain the prostate glands, Cooper glands, and also penis. Right now, this is the most easy question. You all know what is the organ of the male reproductive system that sperms are produced, no? Right now, when we consider about the answer for this question is answer number 1, testis, because sperms are produced in the testis. Now, when we consider about the testis, in the testis contain sperm mother cells. No, you already learned about in the theory, right? Testis contain sperm mother cells, right? Right. In the sperm mother cells produce the sperms, and the produced sperms are temporarily stored in the epididymis. No, the produced sperms are temporarily stored in the epididymis, and then it is flows through the vas deferens, and then the necessary power is provided by the seminal vesicles, and then it is flows through the urethra and right go out through the urethra like that. Penis is the organ that help to insert the sperm into the female reproductive system. Right now, this is the most easy question. You all know. You must keep remember the sperms are produced in the testis. Sperms are produced in the testis, right? So there are 4 answers. Answer number 1 is testis. Answer number 2 is penis. Answer number 3 is prostate glands. And answer number 4 is seminal vesicles. Among them, sperms are produced in the testis. Therefore, answer for the question number 19 is answer number 1. Right. Then we will go to take the answer for the question number 20.